Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a coral torus bloom pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is used for operations and array manipulations, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting 2D and 3D graphics, and Access 3D enables 3D plotting in matplotlib. So to create a coral torus bloom, now we'll create mesh grid parameters. So here u and v are the arrays of 100 values evenly spaced from 0 to 2 pi, and 2 pi is representing angles. And here mesh grid creates a 2D coordinate grid from u and v for parameterizing a surface. And now we'll define torus parameter and surface perturbation. So here capital R, which is the major radius, distance from the center of the tube to center of the torus, and R, which is the minor radius, radius of the tube, and bloom is a sinusoidal permutation to add organic bloom effects to the torus surface like coral growth. And now we'll create parametric equations for the deformed torus. So these are the parametric equation of a torus modified by the bloom effect, where x is equals to r plus r cos v plus bloom cos u, and y is equals to r plus r cos v plus bloom into cos u, and z is equals to r sin v plus bloom. And now we'll create the 3D plot. So here figure creates a new figure window of size 6 into 6 inches and AX adds a 3D subplot to the figure, and now we'll plot settings and do the remaining changes. So ex.set face color sets the background of the 3D plot to black, and plot surface plots the deformed torus surface with CMap plasma, which is color map for surface coloring, and edge color none with no mesh lines, and alpha is equals to 0.95, which is slight transparency. And now we'll set up the plot limits and holding axis. So these limit the 3D view range for X, Y and Z axis and hide the axis grid and text for a cleaner look. And now we'll add a color bar and title to the plot. So this adds a color bar to indicate surface value mapping, and plt.title sets the title of the plot with a white text, and at last we'll display the plot. So here we can see the plot. So thanks for watching this video.